Well, howdy. Long time no see. Beautiful Oregon summer day. And that calls for some grilling and fire. Hell yeah. Go to a certain Texas friend of mine. Go Ducks. Hee. Alrighty. Got some nice pork loins gonna do today. Sweet. As you can see, my old Weber bit the dust. Check out what my father-in-law did. He used the parts and pieces to make a tater oven. Isn't that cool or what?
What you making, Todd? Salsa. Homemade.
Garden tomatoes.
Oh, yes.
Whole 9 yards. Sweet. This is an oil and vinegar thing, Mary?
Yeah. Isn't that the uniquest thing?
Cool?
See the grape in the middle? That's the...
Yeah.
Might as well cut that, use that zucchini up too.
Yeah. And grilling them.
Do some grilled veggies too.
Baby here.
Alrighty, boys and girls. The meat is on. Getting fancy today. Party day. Go over here though, towards them trees. I don't know if you can see it. Getting a little hazy. Getting some smoke coming in from Central Oregon there, where they got a bunch of forest fires going. It's still pretty out. Well, now we just got a little downtime. Wait for the meaty goodness to be done. And too hot for beer, so I'm drinking sissy booze. But it's a spot on a hot day. Ain't been up to much, just working and hanging out with the family and all that good stuff. Sure miss being on every day, but I just ain't got the money for it right now. Oh well. But the simple things are best. Butterfly bush still going. Lazy summer day. Alrighty, let's do a little check. Looking good. Not quite yet. They're looking pretty tasty. Well, sun's going down. And there you have it, my friends. Mesquite smoked pork loin. Blue jay up there squawking. Oh, there he is. I see you, little bastard. You ain't getting none of my pork loin. Alrighty, the loin's done. Now I'm goofing around with some veggies. Tossed in olive oil and pepper, I think. A little garlic powder, I think she told me. Mother-in-law's put these together. Look pretty good. Well, doing direct heat now. Just found out that them little orange things are not carrots. They are sweet potatoes. I'm not sure if this is going to work out. Probably going to take forever. So, thanks for sharing the afternoon with me, and see you soon.